for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Fayette, Greene, Washington, and Westmoreland, and the following counties in West Virginia: Marion, Monongalia, and Preston. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, eastern Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Preston County in northeastern West Virginia, eastern Marion County in northern West Virginia, Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 7 miles northwest of Fredericktown, Millsboro to 24 miles south of Pleasant Valley, or along a line from 10 miles north of Waynesburg to 23 miles west of Parsons, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morgantown, Greensburg, Fairmont, Uniontown, Gannett, Connellsville, Westover, Kenwood, Star City, Terre Alta, Montesson, California, Denora,
Oh, great. Beaver, Butler, now Lawrence.
Pleasant Valley, Uwood, and West Newton. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows.
That means I'm going to get
These storms are
another double header.
damaging winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. for portions of southwest Pennsylvania and West Virginia. Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Beaver, Butler, and Lawrence, West Virginia.
Holy crap!
Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, southeastern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania,
Whoa! Look how strong the winds are. Damn! Oh no! Here comes the wind, baby. Oh no! Here comes. The lights went out. The lights. Ah! Oh my God. Ah! Ah! It's... Hey! Hey!
For the following counties in Ohio: Iowa, Hill, Louisiana, Kearney, Harrison, Jefferson, Monroe, Noble, and Tuscaloosa. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe
Hold on.
thunderstorm
My radio turned off. There.
County in east central Ohio, Carroll County in east central Ohio, Western Columbia County in east central Ohio,
Yeah.
Carroll County in east central Ohio,
Oh no!
Jefferson, Ohio County in east central Ohio, Monroe County in east central Ohio, Noble County in east central Ohio, Tuscaloosa County in east central Ohio, until 1:15
Like the oh,
and
jeez,
12:15 p.m. Severe thunderstorms
oh,
were located along a line from 19
jeez.
north of Strasburg to near Caldwell, or along the line from 24 miles north of Dover to near Caldwell, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Tuscaloosa and Jersey counties into locations east of Interstate 70. Hazard: 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source:
I have no service.
widespread gum trees.
I have
Lines have been
no
reported in
service.
Oshkosh and
I have
Washington
no
counties where the line previously
service.
passed. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those
I
possible.
Cable's out, Wi-Fi's down.
Those strong winds
Right
were.
in the middle of this drawing.
The winds were violent up there, Ma.
Mm-hmm. Very.
Oh, no. Here comes the...
The tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. for a
This is...
Central Ohio. Weather bulletin.
Oh, no.
Pennsylvania, Fayette,
What's
Washington,
that?
Westmoreland, and the following counties in West Virginia: Marion, Monongalia, and Preston. The National Weather Service in Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, eastern Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Preston County in northeastern West Virginia, eastern Marion County in northern West Virginia,
So you telling me?
County in northern West Virginia until 1:15 p.m.
Telling me
At 12:26 p.m.
the frickin'
Storms were located along a line from 7 miles northwest of Fredericktown.
surprisingly no tornado warnings yet. No tornado. Wow.
It's a crazy weather day, huh?
I was like, if I were to go out there, I would be blown away.
Can you turn these lights on?
Oh. Oh. Okay. Turn it on. Turn on. On.